Confusion as Fayemi reveals the raid plan of IPOB to Nigeria. Governor Kayode Fayemi of Ekiti State has revealed plans by the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and Yoruba Nation agitators to destroy the country. According to the chairman of the Nigerian Governors Forum, part of the plans of the agitators was to destroy the country through their divisive rhetorics and the proliferation of conflict centers. Governor Fayemi, that is what you feel, and that is what you think. You see, have you ever thought of these two? Have you thought of these two? Of what this country, Nigeria, is truly doing to these agitators? It's not good to think on one-sided. It's not good to be partisan in our decisions. Decisions supposed to be made in equal, but in your decision, I am seeing your decisions coming in sidelines. In sidelines. Is it because you are a governor? There is something I discovered about governors and leaders in Nigeria. I discovered something about them when it comes to speaking of the truth. See, they don't do things that way. When you know the truth, speak it without fear or favor. Don't mind your position or the position you're occupying, because you are gradually killing yourself by supporting these people. You're killing yourself. You're killing yourself. You're killing your people. If this administration is not favoring the people, speak it out. It's not right. It's not right. What these people are doing to the Igbos, to the Biafrans, to the Oduduwas, is it fair to you as a governor? You are in Nigeria. You are seeing all these things that is happening. You're seeing it. Why will you be speaking this way? Why? I discovered that all these governors are just supporting the administration, and I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because I know they are doing it for their own self and not for the people. And not for the old people. They are doing it to protect their position. They are doing it to protect their own their own government, their personality, their name, and what they will still gain in future. That is why these leaders are doing what they are doing. I'm telling you, they are not doing this to support you. They're not doing this to support you because they know that once this country is divided, many things will be denied from them. They know what they gain from this country being together. They know what they gain. A lot of opportunities will be taken away from them, and they don't want that. The benefits, the remunerations that they will get, they don't want to lose it. So they are only thinking about themselves and not the future of the people. Not your future, not my future, but their own future and the future of their own children. That is why when you check them very well, you see that many of them, none of their children are schooling in Nigeria. None of the children are schooling in Nigeria. All of the children are flown abroad. Still in the expense of our own money, our own resources. They live on our resources. You see? So that is why we have to be careful. Look at what is coming out from him. And I know that same will still come out from the mouth of other leaders. Same will happen. Yes, same will happen. So you don't expect them to still support the agitators. They won't. They won't, because they are trying to protect their positions, their 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 their, their, their positions, their personality, their home, and oh my God, their reputations. That is what they are trying to protect. Not the reputation of the people. So I'm not surprised. Well, I've not even seen any governor that has even shown any single support to the agitators, and I'm not surprised, because I know that they will not show support. I know they will not show support. What they will keep doing is they will keep going against it because of because of their positions. Listen to Okorocha speak yesterday. That's Okorocha, the former governor of Imo State. Listen to him speak yesterday. See what he said. That the Igbos are going to be the biggest losers if Nigeria divide. Look at the statement coming from a one-time Southeast governor. What a shame. Is that not a shame? Is that not a disgrace? I'm ashamed even knowing the fact that he's one-time governor of Imo State. I'm ashamed recognizing him as a one-time governor of an eastern state. Look at what is coming out from the mouth of such an Igbo leader. It's crazy. It is crazy. It's crazy. I'm not in support of that shit. I'm not. You understand? So let us be frank to ourselves. Let us be straight. Let us help ourselves. Let us, just forget about these stories, because all these things to me, they are stories. I don't like hearing them. They are just too annoying. So, my dear viewers in the house, please, I put this up to you to please come in and please let me hear from you and know what you equally have to say about all of this. Okay. Please, I don't know, whatever is your own opinion, don't forget to come in, click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.